Are you ready to take your Christmas tree decorations to a whole new level? Tired of the same old baubles and tinsel each year? Imagine a tree so stunning that it becomes the centerpiece of your holiday memories. Today, I'm diving into the most unique, charming, and simply beautiful Christmas tree decoration ideas that you can try right at home. How can I create a unique theme for my Christmas tree? Creating a theme transforms your Christmas tree into a true holiday statement. Let's talk about some ideas. Choose a color scheme. Pick a primary color like royal blue, blush pink, or a traditional red-green combo. This gives your tree a cohesive and festive look. Incorporate textures. Use a mix of materials like velvet, metallics, and natural elements, such as pine cones or wooden ornaments. Add a signature item. Incorporate a unique element like mini picture frames, dried orange slices, or vintage ornaments that add personal flair. Love these tips so far? Hit the like button to let me know. What are some creative DIY ornament ideas? DIY ornaments add a personal and unique touch to your tree. Here are some easy, festive ideas. Homemade salt dough ornaments. Use cookie cutters to create holiday shapes, bake them, and paint them for a handmade touch. Dried fruit ornaments. Slice oranges or apples, dry them in the oven, and string them for a rustic, beautiful decoration. Miniature wreath ornaments. Craft tiny wreaths using floral wire, greenery, and ribbon to bring a classic look to your tree. Comment below if you've tried DIY ornaments, and tell us your favorite one. How can I use natural elements in my Christmas tree decor? Natural elements bring warmth and charm to your tree decor. Here's how to incorporate nature. Pine cones and branches. Add pine cones as ornaments or use small branches to create a forest vibe. Berries and greenery. Place sprigs of holly, eucalyptus, or berry clusters among the branches for a fresh, woodsy feel. Rustic ribbons and twine. Wrap your tree in burlap or jute ribbons, which complement natural elements and give a cozy feel. Want more nature-inspired decor tips? Check the description for a full playlist. What are some tips for lighting the tree beautifully? Lighting is essential for creating that magical holiday glow. Here's how to master it. Layer your lights. Start with a string of warm lights, then layer in white or colorful lights for depth and sparkle. Choose LED or fairy lights. LED lights are energy efficient and offer a bright but soft glow. Fairy lights add a twinkling, magical effect. Try different lighting patterns. Go for classic zigzag patterns or spiral the lights down from top to bottom for a professional look. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying these holiday decoration tips. What are the best ways to top a Christmas tree? The tree topper is the finishing touch. Here are some ideas to make it memorable. Classic star or angel. Stick to tradition with an angel or star that adds elegance and height to your tree. DIY floral bouquet. Create a small bouquet using artificial flowers or greenery for a beautiful, unique topper. Oversized bow. Make or buy a large bow in your color scheme, adding ribbon tails that cascade down the tree for a dramatic effect. For more decoration ideas, check out the products I've used in the description. How can I make my tree child and pet friendly? Holiday decor can be safe and stylish. Here's how to make your tree child and pet friendly. Opt for shatterproof ornaments. Use plastic or fabric ornaments that won't break if a child or pet plays with them. Avoid tinsel and small decorations. Tinsel and small items can be choking hazards, so stick to larger, safe items like large baubles or wooden ornaments. Secure the tree. Anchor your tree to the wall, especially if you have pets or small kids who might tug on branches or decorations. Have little ones or pets at home? Give this video a thumbs up if these tips helped. How can you create a modern Christmas tree look? If you prefer a sleek, contemporary style, there are lots of ways to make your Christmas tree feel modern and fresh. Here are some ideas to bring a stylish edge to your holiday decor. Monochrome theme. Choose a single color, like white, silver, or even black, and decorate the tree using only that shade. This minimalist approach gives your tree a chic, modern look that feels both elegant and unique. Geometric ornaments. Use geometric ornaments or baubles with metallic finishes. These structured shapes and reflective surfaces give a modern touch that pairs beautifully with a monochromatic theme. Metallic and glass accents. Add metallic and glass ornaments for a sleek, luxurious effect. Silver, gold, or copper accents create a clean, polished look, perfect for those who love a contemporary holiday style. Which modern look are you going for this year? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more chic holiday decor ideas. So now you have an entire toolkit of Christmas tree decoration ideas to bring magic, style, and safety to your holiday season. Whether you go DIY, add natural elements, or create a new theme, these tips will make your tree unforgettable. Ready to start decorating? Let me know in the comments how you'll decorate your tree this year.